I want you to be responsible for your own learning. G'day, it's Zoe, the Video Confidence Coach here, and today's answer is brought to you by the Do Video podcast. What I mean to say is that the video answer that you're watching right now is pulled from the Do Video podcast. So, if you found it interesting, feel free to subscribe or check out the podcast, or why don't you check out our other videos to other answers that might be helpful to you. But for us adults, and people who are actually, running businesses and being entrepreneurs, I want you to be responsible for your own learning. So I want you to actively go out, and you don't have to sign up to every online course you see out there, but find what methodology of learning works for you, what you're going to do regularly for yourself, and how you're going to retain that information. And say, for example, the tactic that I use is YouTube. I'm an avid YouTube watcher. In my house, I haven't watched TV in years because we don't have an antenna, and usually the content we consume is either one of two things: YouTube or Netflix, and most of the time it's YouTube. So for myself to be able to have on my YouTube feed, to be able to watch later all the ones about business, on how to perfect ourselves and how to do more, I can go back once a week and go through and note down in my Trello, which is a system, or in my notepad about things that these YouTube videos have told me that I can implement into my own business and also teach you guys. That's how I find it useful, and I know to keep learning and do this on a weekly basis so I can get this information into my head and therefore out my big mouth to you guys. And another way you can be responsible for your own learning is joining a group of collective other people. Speaking of which, we have one of those. It's called the Video Confidence Crew. The Video Confidence Crew is a group of like-minded entrepreneurs and small business owners who actually want to improve themselves on their video journey. So right there, I have a lot of is behind the scenes exclusives and all those kind of things, but I also do a lot of live talks. So if you're ever interested in coaching with me or talking to me one-on-one, you've got that opportunity in there. So feel free to join the Video Confidence Crew, where you'll be able to learn more and consistently learn more and be working with a group of other like-minded people.